Welcome to an introduction to disaster impact reports for child care facilities in North Carolina. In recent years, hundreds of child care facilities across North Carolina have been affected by natural disasters. Funds may be available to support child care facility recovery. To be considered for disaster recovery funding, child care facility operators must report damages by completing a disaster impact report. Disaster impact reports allow child care operators to document and demonstrate their need for financial assistance. These reports are used by the Division of Child Development and Early Education to determine eligibility for funding. Disaster impact reports are also called DIRs. In addition to explaining why DIRs are needed, this video outlines when they should be completed and what information is required to complete them. Finally, the video shares resources that offer detailed guidance and support for completing reports. DIRs ask operators to share information about the impact of storms on their facilities. Funds may be available for construction, renovation, materials, furnishings, vehicles, quality improvement activities, and more. Child care operators are encouraged to submit DIRs as soon as possible following a disaster. Be sure to allow plenty of time to complete the report accurately and thoroughly. More than one block of time may be needed. Reports should be updated whenever new information becomes available, including revised estimates or newly received financial assistance. Reports can be edited even after they are submitted. Disaster impact reports are submitted through the DCDE Disaster Impact Portal, which is accessed at providerportal.nc.gov. Log into this portal using an individual NCID username and password. For help with NCID, visit it.nc.gov/support/accounts. Before starting a disaster impact report, collect the information and materials needed to complete it. For the best experience, use a desktop or laptop to help clearly see and complete all the required fields. Allow sufficient time and have NCID login credentials available. To prepare, read the program instruction document available on the DCDE Disaster Recovery website. It describes how funds may be used and who is eligible to receive them. Use the list of DIR questions, also available on the DCDE Disaster Recovery website, to get a better sense of the documentation to gather. Finally, collect documentation that helps validate the information in the report. This documentation may include a number of items such as post-disaster child care center sanitation assessment forms, photos of the damage to facility, receipts for completed repairs and items replaced, estimates for future repairs and item replacement, and insurance information, including type of insurance, name of insurance company, claim amounts, and determinations. Additional documentation may include proof of closure dates, lost revenue from tuition, staff pay and food loss, information about sources and amounts of other financial assistance received, and information about recovery projects such as staff training or food or water distribution to families. Additional help with disaster impact reports is available. Resources on the DCDEE Disaster Recovery webpage include program instruction documents, DIR questions, job aids that walk through each step of the report, and a real-time video demonstration. One-on-one technical assistance is also available by phone at 919814630 option 3 or by email at dcde_support@dhhs.nc.gov. Completing a disaster impact report is an essential step to be considered for disaster recovery funding. To find the disaster recovery webpage, visit ncchildcare.ncdhhs.gov. On the Provider menu, choose Emergency Preparedness and Response and then Disaster Recovery. DCDE is ready to help eligible child care programs recover and restore services for children and families, and staff look forward to working with operators to complete disaster impact reports.